Hello, okay, this is it. This is the ending. We are going to get you to walk off the floor, probably pictures taking everywhere, okay? We're going to go from like the endings real quickly and just say, all right, here's what you need to do to walk off or end this. Now, when we're in this standing position and you're going in and you're standing one way or the other here, okay, you just want to kind of let her come out and slide down the arm to this position. Nothing's really about rhythm or music at that point. You just want to stand open, present her, and then you can easily walk off the floor, put your hand in your back and walk off the floor with your right side, no matter where it's at. Cool? So that's one way to go about it. Now, if you're going to come into this position here and you over-rotate, okay, and you go into it, you can also go into it and she comes out, take the arm here like you did before and walk her off as well. So remember, it's not about trying to come out of it slowly. You stand up, you take position, whichever you decide as a couple, and then that way you walk off from there. And walk off toward the audience. Don't walk away from it, walk toward the audience because everybody's taking pictures this way. It doesn't matter which way you go. Cool? Now, whenever you're doing the sit-down position, we talked about this. When she's in that sit-down position, she comes all the way over here, okay? And you're in this position. This is where you're coming at. Everybody's taking a picture, okay? Now, as you come out of it, you slowly come out of this, and you go into that same position, offering the hand. She comes right on top, or she can slide here. Again, you have to decide what that is. Take your time coming out of these positions, rolling out of them, and just kind of go into that. Now, if you are, it's kind of like, you know, you kind of soar after a while and you think, again, it's definitely important to come out of it slowly, all right? So, here's the other one. When you're in the dip, now, we go all the way over here to the dip, okay? She's getting into position. Now, here's the thing, all right, we got to bring her out, okay? You don't want to pull her up too fast and give her whiplash. So you come out, the hand slides down, it's on top, there we have it. Very cool. And again, you see the similarities between all of them. You go right into this one as well, and you're good to go. There's one very popular thing that people like to see, sometime again, this is YouTube, but if she does have a little background of dance, who knows? We don't know. You may know, so what happens is that you may want to go, spin me out. If that's the case, you can do so. If you feel comfortable, great. You have a conversation with one another. How many spins? Just so it's kind of like a full 1.5. That means when you go to spin out, it's just really about, hey, that's it, okay? You're spinning to the right. So let's take the first one. If you're here, okay, and when you go out, all you're going to do, gentlemen, is you let her go. She kind of rolls out, and you go right into this position. Now, this is the one probably all the ladies are going, ooh, I like that one, okay? That's cool. But guys, don't help her out with this. She's not to spin into infinity, all right? You're just going to bring her up. You discuss that you're spinning. You let go. You're not offering her hand to catch her, okay? But if you see your hand come out like she needs balance, offer, okay? So one more time. Going into this, okay? You roll out. She spins out. And you walk with her a little bit. If she goes away from you, she starts taking off. Walk with her. Catch the hand. Cool? If you want to go into this position, do that afterwards and walk off from that point. You don't want to offer this arm when she's coming out spinning so much as you want to kind of go underneath and take the hand first. That's probably more important. Take this hand and then go over. Now, remember ladies, it's not about trying to over-help him. He needs to be leading through this. I mean, he's got leads, you follow with it. So when he goes to offer the hand, you don't want to go shake hands, and you're both trying to hold on to each other. So when you go from a sit position, let's just say, you want to sit position, you're here, now you're going to roll out, okay? You roll out, spin, you present the hand, boom, and then you start walking off, you take the hand, and there we go. Cool? So when I'm in this position here, let me give you the back end here, standing up. Again, it doesn't matter if you're dip, sit, or stand. If like I'm standing here, when she rolls out, and I've got this hand here, what we don't want to do, ladies, is we don't want to kind of cut this hand out. He's trying to spin you, and you're blocking him. Keep the hand on top slightly, or if you're about to spin out, move it to the top. When it releases you, take it off, and you can spin out. And notice my hand is still there for her. That makes sense? Okay? So you can gradually go through this nice and easy. Stop the video, pause, practice, come back, rewind, whatever. This is a great thing about little video. You can do it at your pace and when you want to watch it and progress as such. So, other than that, enjoy, 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 okay? Now, when you go to walk off, again, remember, it's about you coming out of this, take the hand, and when you walk off, your routes are up to you. You're the audience. We're coming toward you. You don't want to turn around and go this way and have your back to them, okay?
Unless, of course, you're wanting to show off the back of your dress.
Oh, there we go. You know, guys, we don't realize that. No. Good point. Yes. So, other than that, I mean, you may have an outdoor wedding that you have that. Oh, that's a great point. Because outdoor, you can easily walk away. Cool. So, you have some elements here. Put it into your dance. Remember, don't over-rotate, don't over-dip. Make sure you don't throw and over-thrust. Be sure that you breathe and smile. Breathe and smile. Even when you practice, do that. Smile.
Definitely when you practice.
Yes, you don't want to be the day of your wedding and you got to smile a lot more. You're so focused on the smiling that you forget the choreography and all the stuff that you've been working on. Okay? Have fun and good luck.